Explore the miracles of the microscopic world. Find out all about the unique and beautiful kingdoms of life at a microscopic scale and how every organism meets the challenges of survival no matter its size. The perfect book for people who enjoy photography, nature and biology. Explore the inhabitants of an invisible world in incredible detail with this book, which contains macro photography and spectacular microscope imagery. You'll have so much information about the hidden world of intricate structures beyond the naked eye. From the tiniest spiders and insects to even microscopic creatures like bacteria and viruses, this book contains it all. See the beauty of a pollen grain, a butterfly egg, the spore of a fungus and a human's nerve cell in extreme close-up. The amazing imagery in microlife contains focus-stacked macro photographs and micrographs, including scanning electron micrographs. Illustrations in this book explain the science, from the workings of an insect's eye to how a plant breathes through its leaves. Microlife is an unexpectedly breathtaking look at the natural world. Find out how life works and how organisms solve the fundamental problems of movement, reproduction, energy, communication and defense. This book belongs on the bookshelves of schools, libraries and homes for those interested in photography, nature or biology. Find the link below and buy the book now.